Hello my beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today's video is going to be a hygiene video. I've done a few before, which I'll link them down below for you, but this video is really specifically about targeting a body odor and how to eliminate body odor. However, I'm going to share with you guys my tips, tricks, and hacks on how to eliminate body odor more the natural route. So if you guys found this useful, thumbs it up, it always helps me out, and share it with your friends if you like. You guys can also ask me any personal questions you have on my socials. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and a Facebook page, which I'll link them all down below as always. That being said, let's just jump into what this video is about. Like I said, this video is more targeted towards how to actually eliminate the issue of body odor if that's something that you struggle with. No one wants to be stuck in that situation where you smell and the other person beside you can smell you, and it's not that pleasant. So of course you can douse yourself in these chemical-filled artificial scent sprays, but really that's just going to shield body odor as opposed to actually eliminate the problem. So I see it more as a band-aid over the issue. They don't treat the underlying cause. So insufficient bathing and poor hygiene can lead to those unpleasant odors, but why it happens is because there's certain glands that are located in certain areas such as our underarms, our private areas, feet, and our hands, and when they interact with skin bacteria, it leads to body odor. If you have bad hygiene, bacteria is going to continue to build up on your skin, and that's really what is causing that odor. So in order to smell good and fresh all day long is to use natural products in the shower. Of course, it is really important that you are keeping up with your washing of your body, and I'm going to share with you something that I've been loving that is a natural route to go down for a body wash. My favorite natural shower product currently is just the Native bar soap. So you guys know I love Native. They use natural ingredients and they are very safe products for the skin, but they recently launched their new products, which is the bar soap, and then they also have the body wash version. If you prefer to have a body wash over a bar soap, then I definitely recommend that. They both are amazing. I've been slowly trying to switch all my products and going more the natural route. Native is super great because they're cruelty free. They have safe ingredients. The scents are amazing. This one I'm sharing with you guys right now is cucumber and mint. The bar soap just looks like this. It is super simple. It just says Native on it. It smells so nice. It's not like super overpowering, but the scent is very, very nice, and they have so many different scents. They also have an unscented, which is also really great if you have sensitive skin. I definitely recommend that. I also have it in the coconut and vanilla scent, and I have the eucalyptus and mint scent, which is also really nice, and it lathers and cleans my skin really well. And they have so many amazing ingredients in it that it's also going to keep your skin feeling moisturized after the shower. I've been a lot more into trying to find more natural products for the skin because of course you don't want to put all those chemicals and things that aren't great for your body, especially because you are using this daily. You should be showering your body every single day. You want to make sure that you're putting safe ingredients onto your skin. So they were actually nice enough to provide me with a coupon code. If you guys use the code NicolettaFall, it will get you 10% off, and there's also free shipping in most areas. So I definitely recommend checking it out. It's super affordable and great, and it's really great on the skin, and you really want to make sure that you're putting the right products onto your skin. And that leads me to exfoliation. So this is something I only like to do once a week, and it's really important to not only wash your body every single day, but to also exfoliate it at least once a week. So exfoliation is really going to help get rid of the dead skin cells, and why that's really important is because if you have all this dead skin accumulating, this is what's going to trap the type of bacteria that causes that body odor. So I like to do a more natural scrub. I'll usually just take some brown sugar and I'll take any oil, whether that's coconut oil or olive oil, mix it together and rub it on my body, and it really helps to get rid of the dead skin cell. You want to make sure you're doing this all over the place, including parts such as where your shoulder blades are, where your knees are, so that you're really getting rid of all the dead skin cells off your body. Also, while in the shower, I always like to shave my hair especially underneath the arms, of course. It's just a lot easier when you are more hairless to avoid body odor completely. Why it is so much easier when you are hairless is because that hair is more likely to absorb odors, which in turn will lead you to smelling like body odor. So I like to usually just shave in the shower before I finish so that you don't smell through the day. So once I'm done my shower, the next step of course is deodorant. In order to keep smelling fresh all day long, you guys know, like I said earlier in the video, I really like to use natural deodorant. I still use native deodorant, so I'm super excited because I just got the fall scents. So it just comes in a box like this, and there's just 3 scents in here. It comes with a little card as well, but every single season they come out with new scents, which is so fun. I absolutely love all the scents they come out with. Their scent game is on point. In this one, probably my favorite is the lilac and white tea, but the other scents are super great as well. They also can come with lemon zest and pomegranate, and then it also comes with orange and honeysuckle. So you can also get their normal scents that they have all year round, but I love to just get the seasonal scents. They're super fun and very unique scents, which I love. And this is what's going to keep you fresh all day long. I switched over to natural deodorant for so long now, and I absolutely love it. And I found now that I've been on natural deodorant for a very long time that I actually sweat less than when I use those clinical strength deodorants, and I smell less as well. If you are going to switch off of normal deodorant to natural deodorant, you have to get your body kind of used to it. What's really great about Native is, once again, their products are always cruelty-free. They're talc-free, paraben-free, and aluminum-free. And those are 3 things that I always like to look for when looking for products. So I just like to always apply a nice deodorant underneath my arms once I'm done my shower to ensure that I'm going to smell fresh under there all day long. One of the areas we tend to smell body odor is our underarms, so I really like to make sure that I apply deodorant on the daily. You can still use my code NicolettaFall if you want to also just purchase deodorant. If you haven't switched over to the natural side, I definitely recommend Native because Native has lasted the longest on me. I have not been missing my old deodorants, let me tell you, and I strongly always recommend Native products to you guys because I've just enjoyed them so much. Once I'm done with the shower and I put my deodorant on, I like to follow up with an oil. So there's certain oils that have properties to combat body odor. Something that is great to do is just rub coconut oil on those areas that you tend to sweat more or find that you tend to smell body odor more on certain parts of your body. And I like to do that with my coconut oil, and I also just like to moisturize my body with coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, I believe that's how you say it. It's known to eliminate the bacteria present on our body. Another really great oil to use is tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is an antiseptic and it has a lot of antibacterial properties, meaning that it can ward off the bacteria and fungus found present on your skin, in turn prevent that foul smell that may come off of your skin. So you can apply tea tree oil as well on areas that you tend to smell a little bit more on, so things such as your feet or where your underarms are. That's a really great oil as well, and it's really going to help combat that issue. So I always like to have tea tree oil on hand. Of course, when you do use tea tree oil, you need to make sure that you're diluting it, and you can apply that on a daily basis for the best results to really see it work over time. And as well as the coconut oil, you can do the same. My next tip to eliminate body odor is to do some Epsom salt baths. So doing this at least 3 times a week is super great, and all you have to do is just fill up your bathtub with some warm water or some more hot water, and then put 2 to 3 cups of Epsom salts. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of stress sweat. A lot of us tend to sweat a little bit more when we're very stressed or we're in stressful situations. So what this Epsom salt bath is really going to help do is, Epsom salts is an antioxidant and it is known to detoxify the body. It helps our body produce the hormone called serotonin. The properties can help relieve stress and in turn lead to less sweat production, thereby eliminating that foul odor that may come from the body. So it's really going to help with your stress level. So if you're very stressed during a certain time, taking Epsom baths are really great as well. This next one is a little hack, and that is to make an apple cider spray. All you have to do is take a little spray bottle bottle and put part water and then part apple cider. You want to make sure that you're diluting the apple cider. You can shake it well, and you could spray this on certain areas that you tend to smell odor on, whether that's your feet, where your chest is, if you're sweating there. It's really going to help get rid of that odor. It's a really great home remedy to do. The reason why this is really great is because bacteria cannot thrive in acidity, and the smell is going to dissipate. So it is safe for your skin as long as you don't have broken skin, or let's say you shave. You don't want to spray apple cider vinegar on the part where you just shaved, because obviously that's going to sting you and it's just going to be very uncomfortable. But it is always important to do test patches, so if you want to test it before you put it onto your body. But this is something that I like to use. It's just going to really help eliminate and get rid of that smell immediately. And then this last tip is really great to keep in mind, and it's very simple, and that is just to make sure that you're changing your shoes. I'm a shoeaholic, so this is like really great for me, because any excuse where I can buy more shoes, I'm here for it. But it is really important that you're changing out your shoes once your shoes are really like worn out and run down. The reason why you want to is because a lot of the time we think body odor just comes from our underarms, but one of the most foulest odors come from our feet. A lot of the times it has to do with shoes as well being the problem. Changing your shoes out will allow them to air out. It also prevents the odors from staying concentrated into one area. This will cut down the bacteria in the shoe, so it is really important to switch out your shoes and not wear the same one every single day. Constantly, you're just like living in those pairs of shoes. So make sure that you aren't just wearing one pair of shoe. You want to make sure that you're switching out on your shoes. But that is all for my tips and tricks on how to smell clean and fresh the more non-toxic and natural route. I hope this was useful for you guys. I will link all my other hygiene videos, like I said, in the description box, as well as the native products that I spoke to you guys about. Make sure you guys do check it out. Making the switch to more non-toxic and natural route is definitely something that I've been loving, and I'm really excited to continue to switch out products and go more that route. I just find it's a lot better and safer on my skin, and I find it works the best on my skin as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're a part of the Nicolette's Fam Jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. Let me know if you have any other hygiene concerns, and maybe I'll do a video on that. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!